Maybe Lucy, that's the kid.
Oh.
I'm going to go visit him.
Hi. Did an agency send you?
No. No, I'm Pamela Ewing. Lucy's out.
My mistake. Really lovely. I thought you were probably here for some tests.
I'll tell you what I'm here for. I'm here to give you a warning.
A warning? You're too pretty to give warnings.
Cut out the phony charming. And stay away from Lucy, understand? You took a lot of nice photos, and it was good for both of you. But that's it. Hands off.
Why? You're a tough lady.
Yes, I am.
All right, let's be reasonable. I'm sorry if I offended anybody.
I'm not here for an apology. Just stay away from my niece.
And if I don't, what will you do? Sick the Ewing family on me?
Maybe, but I don't think I'll have to. I can take care of people like you myself.
Ooh.
Are you threatening me?
Yes, I guess you might say that.
I don't like threats.
Well, then consider it a promise. And consider this, too. I did you a favor coming here myself this time. But if there's a next time, you will deal with my husband.
Bobby.
Ooh.
That'll rough you up.